Me, you, everyone, we can make a difference to still prevent the worst. And one key approach to do this is to promote sustainable development.
This place and to develop strategies and criteria that can be also taken then to other places in Chbar Ampov and Phnom Penh. We found that an integrated city district with new connections should be an idea for this one, but also then for many other places.
This is to help create a space, a community space for recreational purpose, for leisure activity, and for people to exercise.
Build4People, in my eyes, is the most modern approach to tackling urban planning issues.
Show our commitment to support the project and for the further development of our Phnom Penh city.
Politically, socially, economically, and operationally, scientifically also.